Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm gonna make this portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's start the build. So I already cut these panels and the front panel is also sanded down. After gluing them together, I'm gonna use these two subwoofers as main driver. They are 6 watt each and 3 ohm rated. These are two piezoelectric tweeters for better music experience. This is a base plate, or you can call it a base radiator. You can find them online. And this is an amplifier circuit with Bluetooth module inbuilt, and it is a stereo channel amplifier with 10 watt of output in each channel, and it runs on 4.2 volt. So for powering up this, I'm gonna use this cell phone batteries. These are 2500 milliamp hour cell, and two of them are stacked together. So this is a 5000 milliamp hour cell, and it gonna last long. And the thing is, I bought this amplifier circuit from second-hand store, and some connections of these modules are blown out, so I have to jump them to run this circuit again, and the circuit is running properly now. And you can find these circuits online, but these are a bit expensive, started from 800 to 1000 rupees. But these are capable of high resolution audio. That is a good thing. And in my next video I gonna use this amplifier and this Bluetooth module, and that gonna be a budget portable Bluetooth speaker. And this is a 5 watt plus 5 watt stereo channel amplifier, which is cost around 30 to 40 Indian rupees. And this is a Bluetooth module you can generally find inside cheap Chinese Bluetooth headphones, which are generally cost around 200 rupees. And after some days the batteries are not working, so you can remove these boards and use to make a Bluetooth speaker. So let's start this build. So I glued the pieces and the box is ready. After a bit of sanding, I polished it with my handmade wood polisher, and it works okay. Not very good, but okay. And as you can see, I use plywood to make this box. If you want to use big subwoofers, don't use plywoods because they are not good for high bass or deep bass. So please use proper wood for that. And let's start finishing the hardware.
And I'm going to glue this Twitter because I don't want any leakage, and I also done same for this side.
So as you can see, speakers are installed, and I already done soldering of these speaker wires. After that, I gonna solder the speaker wires and this indication LED and this micro USB port for charging in this PCB. I gonna attach these in these holes, And after doing these things, I just have to do one more thing, and that is jumping the power button in this back panel for turning it off and on. And after that everything is done, and I'm gonna seal this box. So let's start soldering.
So I jump the volume button and the power on off button.
So the connections are done. This is the micro USB port for charging. This is the LED, and I use two switch rather than one. One is for volume up and one is for power on off. And I gonna use some foam tape to stick it here, and the battery is going to stick here. And I'm use a bit of sealant to make this area airtight. So everything is complete, and now I just have to close this lid and put some screws to fix the back panel. After that, the boombox is ready. The speaker is ready. I drilled 4 holes and tied the back panel, and also make these joints airtight to prevent leaking of the sound, and it sounds damn good. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And it's a lithium ion balance charger I make in previous video. Please check that out, link in the description below, and keep visiting to my channel.